Hello everyone! Welcome to Renal Physiology 101. I'm Miss Kathy, and I'm thrilled to be your guide through the fascinating world of the kidneys. Today, we're diving deep into a process crucial for maintaining your body's internal balance, urine formation. Now you might be wondering, why is urine formation so important? Well, imagine your body as a bustling city. Like any city, it produces waste that needs to be managed efficiently. That's where your kidneys step in. They act as the city's sanitation department, filtering waste products from your blood and excreting them as urine. This intricate process involves a delicate dance of filtration, reabsorption, and secretion, all orchestrated by millions of microscopic units within your kidneys called nephrons. By the end of this lecture, you'll have a solid understanding of how these tiny workhorses keep your internal environment clean and balanced. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and get ready to explore the incredible journey of urine formation. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty of urine formation, let's take a moment to appreciate the stars of the show, the nephrons. These microscopic structures are the functional units of your kidneys, responsible for the bulk of the work. Each kidney contains over 1 million nephrons, all working tirelessly to filter your blood. Imagine the nephron as a tiny, convoluted tube with distinct sections, each performing a specific function. At one end of the tube is a cup-shaped structure called the Bowman's capsule, which houses a network of capillaries called the glomerulus. This is where our story begins, with the process of filtration. The first step in urine formation is filtration, and it all starts in the glomerulus. Blood enters the glomerulus under high pressure, forcing water and small molecules like glucose, amino acids, salts, and waste products across the capillary walls and into the Bowman's capsule. And think of this process like using a sieve to strain pasta. The water and small pasta pieces pass through the holes, while the larger pieces remain behind. In the glomerulus, the capillary walls act as our sieve, allowing certain substances to pass through while retaining larger molecules like blood cells and proteins. This initial filtration process produces a fluid called filtrate, which is essentially pre-urine. It contains a mixture of useful substances and waste products that need further processing. As the filtrate travels through the various sections of the nephron, the next crucial step takes place: reabsorption. During this process, the body reclaims valuable substances from the filtrate and returns them to the bloodstream. Imagine you're cleaning out your closet. You wouldn't want to throw away everything, right? Similarly, the body selectively reabsorbs essential substances like glucose, amino acids, water, and electrolytes from the filtrate, ensuring they are not lost in the urine. This reabsorption process occurs primarily in the proximal convoluted tubule, the loop of Henle, and the distal convoluted tubule, each section playing a specific role in fine-tuning the composition of the filtrate. While reabsorption is all about reclaiming valuable substances, secretion is the process of adding specific substances to the filtrate. This step ensures that waste products not filtered in the glomerulus, like certain drugs and excess ions, are efficiently removed from the body. Think of secretion as adding the finishing touches to a painting. Just as an artist carefully applies brushstrokes to enhance their masterpiece, the kidneys selectively secrete substances into the filtrate to maintain the body's internal balance. This includes regulating blood pH, electrolyte levels, and eliminating harmful substances. Secretion occurs throughout the nephron, with specific sections responsible for handling different types of waste products. As the filtrate reaches the end of the nephron, it has undergone a remarkable transformation. The initial crude filtrate has been meticulously processed through filtration, reabsorption, and secretion, resulting in the final product urine. Urine, now a concentrated solution of waste products and excess water, flows from the nephrons into collecting ducts, which act like tributaries, channeling urine towards the renal pelvis. From there, it travels down the ureters to the bladder, where it is stored until it can be eliminated from the body through urination. And there you have it, the incredible journey of urine formation. From filtration in the glomerulus to the final product, your kidneys work tirelessly to maintain your body's internal balance. So the next time you take a bathroom break, take a moment to appreciate the intricate processes happening within your kidneys, ensuring your body stays happy and healthy.